Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk where you'll get most valuable information always. So in today's video, we are going to see is manual testing required to become an automation tester? So in recent times when I am conducting mock interviews for college students, most of them ask me, I wanted to become an automation tester. Many people suggest me I need to be a manual tester first, then only I can become an automation tester. So is that true? So not only these students, I got a couple of comments asking, is manual testing mandatory as a prerequisite to become an automation tester? So in this video, we are going to see, is manual testing experience is really required to become an automation tester? Yes or no? So in this video, a clear understanding of this topic we are going to see. Before that, if you are watching Techie Talk for the first time and haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And if you feel this topic is interesting and if you have liked the content, make sure you hit the like button. Without any further delay, let's get into the topic. To become an automation testing engineer, is manual testing knowledge is required or not? I will tell you few key points about this topic. Then you can come to a conclusion or you can decide whether manual testing knowledge is required to become an automation tester or not. So, first one is whether you are an automation testing engineer or a manual testing engineer, you should have knowledge on functional part, the product. Without having knowledge on functional testing, you cannot become an expert on software testing concept. What do I say is, before you learn any of the software testing concept, you must have knowledge on what is software testing, how many types of testing are there, what is the need of software testing, what is the use of it, what is the life cycle of a software testing, what is bug, what is error, what is test cases, what is test suite, which scenario for what testing we have to apply, what is the bug life sequence, what is the bug life cycle, and what is the boundary value analysis. You have to know all these basic concepts. So if you have knowledge on all this type of testing concepts, then you can easily understand the requirement and you can easily implement the automation test scripts. So without having functional knowledge testing, you may not be able to implement the automation test scripts in a well manner, or also you may not be able to understand for what scenario you have to write the automation test script. So it's mandatory to have functional testing knowledge. So therefore, without having knowledge on SDLC, that is software development life cycle, and software testing life cycle and bug life cycle, you may not be a suitable candidate for automation testing, or you can say you may not be perfect for automation testing. So my answer is, it is good to have manual testing concepts or experience to become an automation test engineer. I highly recommend you have to know some basics of manual testing and also functional testing knowledge. There are a number of free resources available in the net on manual testing videos. So you can learn manual testing concepts parallelly along with your automation testing concepts also. No problem at all. When you are doing course on automation testing in your free time, you can go through the YouTube videos, or in the net you have many websites where you get in detail concepts of the manual testing. You can go through them and you can get an understanding what is automation, what is manual testing, and what is bug life cycle, all these details. But it is very good and very recommended to know main concepts of manual testing. Yes, you can become an automation tester without having knowledge on manual testing also. But to understand the business requirements, to understand the domain, and to write the automation test scripts without having manual testing knowledge, it may be some difficult for those who don't know manual testing concepts. So therefore, you should have knowledge on manual testing to become an automation tester. And another point you have to remember is, in some companies you might get some opportunities like you have to work for both manual testing as well as automation testing. In that scenarios, you can easily survive as a automation tester. So this is a good opportunity that you will get chances of parallelly you will be doing manual testing, and also you will gain very good knowledge on automation testing also. So the conclusion for this topic is it is good to have manual testing knowledge to become an automation tester. So this manual testing concepts will definitely be helpful for you when you go on in your career path. That is, if you get a scenario to implement in a automation test scripts, this manual testing will lie as a basis for you to understand the requirement with respect to business alignment. So, manual testing will be your base always when you're working on your automation testing. I hope, guys, this video was helpful for you and you have got some informative content. If you haven't subscribed Techie Talk yet, please make sure you subscribe, and also if you have liked this video, like it for more informative contents going further. So, see you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.